More right here where I step. I don't step like this. I step like in this area, but you can see a crease, and now we have a new crease. But yeah, I was supposed to go to the gym today, and I just totally said, F it. Let me knock these little on footies out the way real quick. And the gym will be there tomorrow, right? Dang. I wanted the sun, I got the sun. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm about to go to like this little gallery type, like little get together, you know what I'm saying? The homies throwing like this little show, selling some merch, that kind of thing. And I missed the first one, and I told myself I wasn't gonna miss my man Teb's second event. And this might not be a second event, he probably did 10 of these joints, but I didn't want to miss one because he's got some dope merch. I'm a little late, but I'm gonna go up in here real quick. I know I'm looking like a ninja up in here, but I think they have masks. And I ain't got no mask, so I'm just gonna wear this if I gotta. If the vibe is like wear a mask, I'm just gonna put this up. But if it's not, I'm gonna be out there talking like this. But I got these 12s on. I'm gonna try to get some shots real quick before it gets too dark. And then I'm gonna go over there and see what they're doing. But I think I got some free time on this meter though. Let me go check real quick. All right, it's flashing green, so I'm good to go.
I just rocking some Freddy. I just played some Freddy.
Alright.
What you been up to though, man?
Good, man. I'm gonna try to go to that too.
Yo, please pull up. We need you here though. That's what we want you on.
Oh yeah, definitely.
That's what we need you on, bro.
Definitely, yes, indeed.
It's gonna be dope. That weekend's gonna be dope. These are back to back.
How late they staying open?
Huh?
How late they staying open?
Until 9:30.
Okay. Yo, that was actually dope though. Shout out to my man Tev. He threw a dope event, man. I wanted to get some of the merch, but one of the shirts that I really wanted was like too small. I was like, damn, I needed that large though. I'm sure he's got a website. So Open Company, opencompany.com, I think it is. Good people in there. It was a good chill vibe. My man DJ Craftmatic, Beats, Eats, and Sneaks, all of that is coming up. But yeah, I'm getting the sniffles, so let me get the out of here. And I think my time's up on the meter though. So Kicks for Days, thank you once again for sending these through. I think I got 2 more pairs coming from Kicks for Days. I can't really remember, but I think I got about 2 more pairs. And I wish I had the drone up because it's kind of dope out here tonight. They didn't change some stuff up. I'm gonna have to come back. I haven't been out here in a while, but they changed some stuff up. And I'm like, okay, but that's it, guys. I gotta go. Peace and love, and I'm out. Yeah, stick around. And like I was saying before, I should go to stuff like that more often. You know, my content would probably be way better if I actually like went somewhere. Because, you know, usually I'm out there on the streets, like on some street photography type. But, you know, shout out to Tev though. That was dope. I think he's going to do another one. And Beats, Eats, and Sneaks, I got to make another one of those. I haven't been on one of those in a while, and I feel ashamed. Like I need to be back in those. Those were dope. That's like the dopest sneaker convention we have out here in the Springs. And I tried to do it on foot earlier today. Look at me earlier, y'all. Yeah, that wasn't gonna work. But I tell you what, if I had to use that and that's all that I had, I would have used it for on foot footage. It would have been kind of cringy, but it is what it is. So the Jordan 12 royalty is what they're calling these, and I kind of like
duck these. I didn't try for these on sneaker. I didn't try for these at all because I was like, I have a pair of taxis from like maybe 5 years ago, I think it was. So I really didn't need these, and something about having the black shoelaces in these just turned me off. But that doesn't mean, hold on. All right, I had to sneeze. But that doesn't mean I don't like the sneaker. I love the 12, and I was actually in high school when the 12 came out. I think that was like in 1998. And I'm gonna be honest, coming right after the Jordan 11, I was like, yo, those are trash. You know what I'm saying? And see, they threw the little gold piece on there. It's not bad, but I wasn't really feeling that when I first saw these. I think it was what turned me off is I thought that Jordan Brand did a lazy job like with the concept. It's like, let's just take off the taxi and switch it up a little bit and call it a royalty. And I'm like, I don't know about all that. So it was an easy pass for me, like on a retail level. However, Kicks for Days hit me up and they was like, hey, you know what I'm saying, was good. And I was like, sit them through, because I take everything that I get from Kicks for Days, everything, and they've never missed. And this is no exception. These are beautiful. And the more I wear them, the more I like them. And as you guys can see, I took the black laces out. I just couldn't take it. And I walked around in these. And this I didn't really want to wear these shoes to that little pop-up. You know what I'm saying? I got to stop calling it little, because it wasn't a little pop-up. It was, you know what I'm saying? It was dope. I need to get on that level of shit, personally. But I wanted to wear something a little bit more flyer. But I had to get this video out. So shout out to Kicks for Days once again. And here's some pictures of that inside, because I didn't realize the inside was looking like that until I was messing with them at work, and I was like, let me take some quick pictures, you know what I'm saying? But those are the white laces that I popped in, made them look more like a taxi. And speaking of taxi, here's the taxi. I forgot when these came out, but they were $170 back then, and I had to have them. This is a size 10. They look exactly like the size 9. And if you're just looking at them, obviously the royalty is on the right with the black laces. And if you look super close, you'll see some differences, but that doesn't mean anything, actually. I'm just showing you the taxi, actually, just to show you more like the leather they used. The leather on the Kicks for Days pair actually looked better. Like, and this was kind of the time frame where they weren't using the best materials. And I think I might go on the record to say the Jordan 12 is the first Jordan that had tumble leather on it. I'm going to have to think about that a little bit. The 11 didn't. But that's the famous taxi part. That's why they call it a taxi, because I guess it looked like one. And that Jumpman on the Kicks for Days pair, he looks a little hefty. And his leg on the left looks a little like he's in disco mode. Like, I don't know. Let's look at the other one real quick. That one's actually looking kind of crispy and uniform. But I don't know. Here's the that's looking pretty close. These do feel like they have some zoom in them. I'm not going to lie. They do feel like they have a full length. And I think this was the first Air Jordan to have full length zoom, which is in this shoe. So I probably won't get another pair of royalty retails to compare to these, because, I mean, when you're getting them looking like this, there's no reason to get a retail royalty. I mean, if you wanted to, you could probably, they're going for like $225 on StockX, but I don't think they're really worth it. On the black light, this is the taxi, and look, there's some goop on that. You know what I'm saying? But I wasn't looking at my retails back in the day like that with black lights and all of that. Like, I wasn't looking at them at all. I would just be like, all right, they get the quick eye test and they go in the box. But the times have changed, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's a legit checker now. Like, you got the black lights, you got this, you got that. And I think that still goes for more of the resale world, which I still do dibble and dabble in every now and then. People are like, I mean, you kind of got to get in your own like legit checker bag when you get resale sneakers, but that's another topic. So hope you enjoyed the video. Peace, love, and light. I'm out. Oh yeah, and if anybody's that was there is watching this video, give me a thumbs up, a like, and all that, and peace and love. Thank you.